Welcome guys back, and in this video tutorial I would like to show you how to knit one more easy stitch, beginner friendly stitch. Here is the back side of this stitch, and I know this stitch will be perfect for hats. It can also be used for scarves, blankets, cardigans, baby cardigans, but the best I believe is for hat, for man hat. For this stitch you need to cast on the number of stitches divisible by 16 plus 2 extra stitches, selvage stitches. And here I'm using worsted weight yarn and 4 millimeters knitting needles. So if you want to try this stitch with me, let's start. Here I cast on 34 stitches. Slip the first stitch, then knit 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2. And now you're going to repeat. So exactly 16 stitches. Knit 10, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and purl the last stitch. Always purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 2, slip the first stitch, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and purl 2. And repeat. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 6, purl 2, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 3, we are going to repeat row number 1. Slip the first stitch, knit 10, yes, I said knit 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2, and repeat again. Knit 10, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and purl the last stitch. Row number 4 will be the same as row number 2. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 6, and purl 2, and repeat one more time or more, as many times you need. Knit 6, purl 2, and purl the last stitch. Now you are going to repeat these 4 rows. So the 5th and the 7th row will be the same as the first one, and 6th and the 8th the same as the second one. So just knit 4 more rows. Okay, I have done 8 rows. Row number 9. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat again. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 8. And purl the last stitch. Row number 10. Slip the first stitch, knit 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and repeat. Knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2, and purl the last stitch. Row number 11 will be the same as row number 9. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat again. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 8. And purl the last stitch. Row number 12 will be the same as row number 10. Knit 6, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. And repeat. Knit 6, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and purl the last stitch. And now, as before, knit next 4 rows, repeating rows 9 and 10 2 more times. Knit, and we will see after. So I've done all 16 rows. If you can see, I repeat 16 rows 3 times, and that's what I have. Look how stretches this stitch, and it looks great, really, for boys, for men. Whenever you use it, it will look great, really. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I hope to see you soon.